Kani kedai batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, melawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Haka nyotri unai luar arjar arpo, ka kenhun jong kinoi lam Niam. Haka ni kenong ba Shillong, ki bahapok syatri jong ka Shillong Old Faith Forum. SAFF kala syong jingelang bat ka Sorkar Meghalaya ban ya kerana lor ban sedang plebiang ya ka Jaka liat Niam ni ki Ïingmane ki badan ha keleng kini ke jela haba keren seginong patai kubor hadian jong jingelang usembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba prestun tensong ulaong ba ka Shillong Old Faith Forum kala pen pau ka Sorkar ba kila pen krek ban pleno iki Jaka liat Niam ni ki Ïingmane Naduh benai Risaw mentau snem arajar arpo lada ka jinglong Ïingmane jong kunyang jingpang COVID khat kendai kala khamduna dak ba ongru bawat la ka jela Meghalaya kini kendiat sngi kala sakhi ya ka jingkieu ki bayo yo COVID khat kendai henrei ka badang la bante lakam bat ka badang duna lada nujor bat ki wei bat ki jela.
Today we had a meeting. At the date meeting was also discussed, and the issue of the meeting is for reopening of the worshipping places all over the state of Meghalaya. So ultimately the decision was taken, number one, before reopening of, one subcommittee was decided to constitute under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, and also few members from the Shillong All Faiths Forum for revisiting back the drafting of protocols and SOPs. Let me just remind you, I would like to refresh all of us here. 2 months back, SOPs and protocols has been notified accordingly for reopening of the washing places in the state of Meghalaya. However, today in the meeting that we had with the leaders of the Shillong All Faith Forum, again we would like to revisit the previous notification issued by the government, where the Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya will be the chairman, and the meeting will be held within this week itself. Point number two, the forum has expressed, if everything goes well, if the situation improves, they are ready to start reopening of the worshipping places throughout the state of Meghalaya from the first week of October 2020.